Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and this video is about Pokemon Villain Jam. And there are 8 characters to play, and which of these characters have the best Pokemons and which characters have which Pokemons I will show you in this video. And so some of the cutscenes, let's see them. So every characters have their a unique Pokemon of them, which they will choose by themselves, and after that you will only be able to choose the other 5 Pokemons. So as you know that Giovanni has a Persian, and Magma has Camerupt, Maxi has Sharpedo, Cyrus has a Houndoom, no sorry, a Honchkrow, and Getsis has a Hydreigon, Guzma, I think so, Golisopod, and Pyroar for Lysander, and Pyres has a Obstagoon. So these are these leaders Pokemon. Now let's see. If you want to watch the gameplay of this game, then you can also go to Pikesha Gaming, my other channel. And so let's choose Giovanni first. So there's a Persian. He will choose himself. Now other 5 Pokemon. There are Steelix, Garchomp, Kangaskhan, Nidoking, Hippowdon, Rhyperior, Executor, Gliscor, Nidoking, Crocodile, Ductrio. So we will choose Garchomp. And with this Gengar, okay. And another one is Rhyperior. Now Executor, a grass and psychic type Pokemon. Now which one to choose? A fire type Arcanine, okay. So this is our Giovanni 6 Pokemon team that I like. These Pokemons: Persian Normal, Dragon Ground, Ghost Poison, Ground Draw, Grass Psychic, and Fire. And if you reach to the final, you will get a Mewtwo with the Mega Stones X and Y, and then you can also Mega Evolve Mewtwo and another Pokemon that you have. Now let's see Maxi. So Maxi has a Pokemon that's Camerupt. He will choose by himself. Now Weezing, Swallow, Armaldo, Torkoal, Banate, Golem, Crobat, and Claydol, Sableye, Mightyena, Macargo, Mawile. Uh, Now let's choose our 5 Pokemons. So which one to choose? Crobat, okay, because he has the highest speed among them. Armando, Bug Rock type, okay, that because it has cool attack stats. I'll choose which I like. You can choose which you want. And if you reach to the final, before final, the unknown villain uh, will give you a Groudon, and after that he will also give you a red orb behind him. And if you give red orb to your Groudon, he will also be able to primal in the battle, which is so cool. Primal Groudon. Now let's go with Archie, and Archie's unique Pokemon is Sharpedo. He will choose by himself. Now Team Aqua's Pokemons are Wailord, Muck, Tentacruel, Shedninja, Huntail, Volbeat, Dusknoir, Ninjask, and Palipar, and Wolverine, okay. So these are the Pokemons of Team Aqua, leader, a boss. And if you reach the finals, he will also give you a gift. The unknown villain will give you a Kyogre, and if you catch it behind him, you will get a blue orb. And if you hold the blue orb and give to the Kyogre, he will able to primal Kyogre in the battle. So have fun. Now, now let's go to Xeno Team Galactic Cyrus. So Cyrus will choose Honchkrow by itself. Okay, he can't make a roll. There's no worry. So my favorite Gyarados is here, so I will choose him. And the Pokemons are Absol, Starmie, Houndoom, Avansnow, Persian, Weavile, Probopass, Magnezone, Bronzong, Medicham. Gyarados is too OP. I am just saying that because he has a Dragon Dance, Waterfall, Crunch, and Earthquake. Just OP moves and Dragon Dance. Uh, if we do it 2 to 3 times, then it can wipe up the whole team because Raise is one attack and one speed 2. So I just suggest you that choose Gyarados must. And another 4 Pokemon you can also choose yourself. And if you reach to the final, the unknown villain will give you a Dialga, and behind that you will get the Adamant Orb, which raises the Steel type moves and Dragon type moves. So choose your team wisely because these bosses battles are too much fun, guys. I just choose Abomasnow Hondoom because Abomasnow water. Now let's head to the Team Plasma Getsis. Getsis Pokemons are too cool. Hydreigon, he chooses him by himself. Now after that, Drapion, Crocodile, Convergorus, and Tyranitar, Electrocross, Aerodactyl, Volcarano, Sesame Toads, Crafty. Just he is just cool Pokemons, guys. Hydreigon, you can choose Dark Dragon. I just choose a Tyranitar because he can make a evolve. And Electros, cause he has weakness to ground type, but Electrocos has the ability of levitate. And Aerodactyl too because he has the because of speed and it can make a evolve too. And if you reach to the final, you will get a Zekrom. And Zekrom is super cool. And if you want to change the moves, you also get TM and HMs, so you can also change the moves. So the last one is Convergorus. Okay, just gets this team is too OP. High Dragon, Dark Dragon, Electros, Aerodactyl, nahi, sorry, Aerodactyl. Now let's move to Team Flare, and that's Lysander. So Lysander, unique Pokemon that is Pyro, and he also has a Gyarados, Weavile, Honchkrow, Dapion, Talonflame, Torkoal, Crafty, Delphox, Swalot, Manectric, Chandler. So I will go for the Gyarados first because he can make a evolve. Attack is OP. Dragon Dance is too OP too. Second Pokemon should be Toxicroak. Manectric is okay. And if you reach to the final, you will get a I will tell. That's a Pokemon Y from Kalos region. Only Gyarados is only Gyarados can defeat all the bosses by itself. Now Team Skull. Team Skull? Yes, Team Skull. Guzma. Godspot is fucking crazy. He has Pinsir, Scizor, a Muk, Alolan, a Vikavolt, a Masquerain, a Leopard, Ariados, and Bisharp, and Toxapex. You can choose either Scizor or a Pinsir, because they both can Mega Evolve. And if you reach to the final, you will get a Buzzwole Ultra Beast. That is also a bug in fighting type Pokemon. So I think I should choose Alolan Muk. I can choose. Okay. But he is a poison and dark type Pokemon. Okay, chalo. Now I will choose a Scizor. Now let's go to the Pyres. And this new Pokemon is Obstagoon. Man, he has all the dark type Pokemons, guys. A Sableye, a Toxtricity, Morpeko, Weavile, Absol, Skuntank, Wallaby, Toxicroak, Avalok, Thieful, Toxtricity. You should choose Toxtricity. And this Malamar is too OP because it is the ability. If you decrease his attack states, but he has a move called Superpower, which decrease one stat of attack and one stat of defense. But guys, you can understand what I'm trying to say. I don't. And if you reach to the final, you can get a Galarian Moltres. And so that's all in the video. Subscribe the channel, please.